Alright. Alright. Y'all like sick, you know, bear with me.
Spitting silly.
Spitting silly. Alright.
Here we go. GBO.
Alright. Step up in the building, spitting silly, I am with it. A phoenix from his ashes, legend status, don't forget it. I'm good if you the baddest, cause that ish is overrated. I make it look like magic when I'm flowing, I'm so faded. I'm beating on you pussies and I'm yelling, I'm the greatest. You think you niggas foul, well my savages be flagrant. I hit you with the pause and you be cuddling the pavement. I go and then I get it, so no need for being patient. I start in earthquakes and then I feed you to my Haitians. Flow so caliente, all I needed was some king. Okay, I'm really spitting silly, ain't nobody fucking with me. Cause I just go dumb, South Park, young Timmy. Running and I'm gunning through your hood like gimme. Sniper camping out just in case you act silly. Greasy niggas act state like we mobbing up in Philly. So if you're gonna do it, better do it for your city. And if you're gonna do it, better do it for your city. And if you're gonna do it, better do it for your city. GB though, we the committee. Ain't nobody fucking with me. It's cause I do it for my city. That's cause I do it for my city. GB, yo, we the committee. Ain't nobody fucking with me cause I do it for my city.